So I'm taking a beat. I'm actually taking 5 minutes to rest my thoughts and rest my body. It's raining outside, so it's a perfect opportunity for that. And I thought today's scripture would be Romans 8, verse 28. And in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. How do you feel you've been called? Have you heard a voice in your head, seen a sign, felt a tug in your gut? Well, no matter what it is, let's focus on God's promises. We've been called according to His purpose. I cleaned out some of my tools in the garage and reorganized them. So that's why I'm feeling a little sluggish. But it's okay. Sometimes you have to listen to your body and let it take the wheel. There's nothing wrong with you chilling like a villain. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. God bless.